First, open the Settings app on your phone. Tap Connections. Then tap Bluetooth. Make sure your phone is not connected to a Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is turned on, turn it off temporarily. Then check if the sound starts working. If the problem continues, go back to the main settings page. Tap Sounds and Vibration. Make sure Sound Mode is selected. If your phone is set to vibrate or mute, switch it to Sound. Now tap Volume. Check all the volume sliders. Make sure the media, ringtone, notifications, and system volumes are not turned down. You can also enable Use Volume buttons for media if the option is available. Now try playing audio again. If there is still no sound, restart your phone. Press and hold the power button. Tap Restart. Then tap Restart again if prompted. Wait for your phone to restart. After the restart, check if the sound is working. That's it. This is how you can fix no sound on an Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.